Welcome. We are glimpsing Vedic source of Ganita Sutras. In the previous session, we have been face to face with the first principle of Vedic knowledge for determination of particular scripture to be of Vedic scriptures family. This principle, this mantra, this source value, this source formulation is Om Iti Ek Aksharam Brahm. It is this source which leads us to parallel numbers values format for the letters values format. The letters format Devanagari alphabet and its parallel numbers format Dive Ank Vyavastha arrangement transcendental code values system is as it is on the computer screen. This parallel setup of letters alphabet and numbers alphabet will further at the next step will take us to the geometric measures, the geometric formats, and this triple superimposition of the letters alphabet, numbers alphabet, and geometric formats will ultimately help us have appreciation of the Vedic system's chase of existence phenomenon of our solar universe as sound frequencies transiting and transforming into light frequencies parallel with the impulses base of intelligence of human mind. In this background, now let us proceed further and have a visit at the text of Ganita Sutras and Upsutras, which is availing in all 283 letters for 16 Ganita Sutras text and 236 letters for Ganita Upsutras text, together making it an arrangement of 519 letters. This step ahead will take us to further 181 letters and there being a full reach of 700s organization of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. It is in this background that now today we are having the chase of chakras, eternal circuits, and their link with the elements, Mahabhuts, and their Suksham Vishya, their subjects, their objects, their essence. Pratham Chakra, Prithvi Gandh, the first chakra having association with the reach at first element, Prithvi, Earth, and Gandh. Pratham Chakra, Prithvi Gandh is an organization, is an arrangement which is of values 23, 6, 25, and 20, together making it a sum up 74. The first chakra, first element, first Suksham Vishya is of value 74. Ditya Chakra, Apa, Ras is of quadruple values 25, 6, 8, 8, some value 47. Therefore, the reach up till first two chakras is of 74 plus 47 equal to 121. Step ahead, Tritiya Chakra, Agni, Roop. These quadruple formulations lead to transcendental code values quadruple 18, 6, 14, 15, making a sum of value 53. And as a result thereof, the first three chakras range reach becomes of values 74 plus 47 plus 53 equal to 174. Let me have a pause here. Let me remind ourselves that these values 23, 6, 25, 20 quadruple values for first chakras arrangement, and likewise of subsequent quadruple values arrangement for the subsequent chakras, or the transcendental code values of the individual letters availed for these quadruple compositions. Therefore, it will be a very blissful exercise that we shall reach at these values. It is this exercise which will bring us face to face with the way this values arrangement is surfacing itself here, and it is this chase which at the fourth chakra will take us to quadruple values 18, 6, 13, 14, making a sum value 51. So the total values reach up till fourth chakra will be 225. Fifth chakra quadruple arrangement is of values quadruple 24, 6, 8, and 17, making a sum of 55. And this together with the earlier values reached 225 will take us to the value 280. Sixth chakra quadruple formulations are of quadruple transcendental code values 27, 6, 13, 13, making a sum 59, which 280 plus 59 makes it 339. Then the seventh chakra quadruple formulations are of values 23, 6, 19, 43, making a sum of 91. This with 339 takes us to the value 430. The eighth chakra quadruple formulations Ashtaprakriti Chakra Jyoti Brahm is quadruple values 26, 18, 46, making a sum 90, which 430 plus 90 is 520. One may have a pause here and take note that this value is one more than 519, the total letters of the entire text of 16 sutras and 13 Up Sutras. This way, we are face to face with this blissful unison, this blissful reach of the values of the text of the Sutra being parallel with the Vedic sense, Vedic reach, Vedic mechanism of having chase of the existence phenomenon of our solar universe within and without frames, including the existence phenomenon within human frame. It is this test which deserves to be visited time and again to imbibe, as that this takes us to Vedic source of Ganita Sutras. Ganita Sutras as such emerge to be family of the Vedic scriptures. A step ahead when we will visit ninth chakra quadruple values 26, 6, 35, 22 of summation value 89, together with the 10th chakra, Dasham Yuge, Brahmayati, Sarthi chakra, will be of values 19, 13, 29, 8, 66, making a sum 91, 89, 91 together make sum 180. Then 520 plus 180 is equal to 1700, goes parallel with the 700 shlokas range of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Srimad Durga Saptasati, Siddhi Sthanam, and Hirday Sthanam are 4 pointed scriptures of 700 shlokas reach each. Sadhakas fulfilled with intensity efforts to glimpse the Vedic source of Ganita Sutras shall revisit these 10 steps and be with the grace of this bliss and have the satisfaction of the Vedic source, Ganita Sutra. Thank you very much.